Oh, hello. I bought some stuff today from Target, and it's right here. This is what I picked up. It's called the Heyday Studio Starter Kit, and yeah, it comes with some kind of very cheap light stand with just a color filters and stuff, and it also comes with this microphone and a camera for if anyone doesn't have a camera. So yes, look at this pretty microphone. I hope the quality is good when I replay this. Works okay. Nice color. The filter, I think. Yeah, I haven't used a microphone in a while, so this will be good. I hope it's picking up my voice. I'll have to look at the footage later and see. But I also picked up this Heyday power bank, which has LED level display. It comes with a 5,000 milliamp power micro USB cable for charging, USB-C and USB-A power port. The micros for the charging. Why add micro USB? No idea. But look at this red color. It actually feels, it's not cheap plastic. It feels like good plastic. So yeah, I know this is a short video, so I just wanted to point that out. And hopefully this microphone works. And if you're listening to this video, please let me know how the quality is as well, because I want to start using this more. Anyway, that's it from me, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.